So our body's in place, it's painted, and now we're ready to put down our wings. If your wings dried flat, it's fine to take some Elmer's glue, put it along the back. If they curled up a little bit like they've done on me here, I'm going to make a little bit of a decoupage or a glue solution using a tiny bit of water and glue. And we're going to do that just mixing it together a bit more. And we're going to mix it up with a paintbrush. If you do this, you want to make sure that you are rinsing out your paintbrush immediately afterwards. Otherwise, you're going to end up with a messy paintbrush. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll turn our pieces over and do that glue solution along the back. This just makes it easier to spread the glue along, and that way we know that we're covering all of the surface, and when we put it down, it's going to stay. So now we're going to put it in place, press it down. If it does come up, you can always put a little bit more of this glue solution, like right here. Where it's coming up, we'll use a little bit more of the glue solution and go over the top. It's going to dry clear, so it's okay if you can see it now. Just to keep it in place. And we're going to put the other wing on this side. We'll start with another small wing down here. Glue solution on the back. And press down.